Yay! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited.
Does it have to be my full name?
It's okay. You're good to go. Here we go. Comparing numbers. This is pretty short, but it's going to give me an idea of how well you know what symbol to use and how to tell which number is greater.
Can you read that thing? Because
Sure.
people.
Sure.
I don't.
Yes, hold on. Which one is greater? If you're looking at the numbers, is 18, 21, 14, or 12? Which number is the greater number? Ooh, one of them jumps out at me. Oh, look at that. We're really divided, aren't we? Everybody's chose a different answer. Well, let's find out which one is actually greater. If you said 21, you got it right. If you didn't, you were looking at the wrong place. You were looking at the baby ones, weren't you? It's okay. Let's look and see. Well, you know a 10 is 10 baby ones stuck together. So if you have a 10, that's like having a $10 bill. Would you rather have a $10 bill or a $1 bill? I'll take the 10, thank you. So you know that if your 10s are greater, you're going to have more, right? So let's look and see. This number 21 has 2 10s. That's right. So it's automatically going to be a greater number. All the other ones only have one tall 10. Oh, look at that. He only has 1 10. So does number 14, and so does 18. They only have 1 10. Wah. So now the only number that is greater is 21. Here we go. Next one. It's okay. Let's practice. Oh, Blake. Wow. Here comes the next one. Which one is the least? Oh, the smallest number. Oh. Let's look at the 10s first. Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about. You looked at the 10s first. Bravo. And this one has only 1 10. So yes, that's right, London. And everybody got that one right. Beautiful. Mwah. We only had to look quickly at the 10s place to determine only one of them had 1 10. So naturally, he's the smallest. Which one's the biggest, the most, the greatest number? Look at the tens place. If they're all the same, then go look at the ones. Whoa, you guys are too fast for me. If you said 13, yeah, you got it right. Could you use your hundreds chart too? Yes. And you could also use your tens and ones. So this one has no tens. Wah, wah, wah. 7 is a tiny baby number. Let's look at 11. Ooh, that's got 1 10, but only 1 1. Let's look at 12. That has 1 10 and 2 ones. Oh, let's look at 13. Ooh, that also has 1 10, but it has 3 baby ones. So this is the greatest number. The greatest ever. Ooh, who's on fire? Blake. Blake's on fire. Okay, let's do the next one. Which number is less than 16? Okay, so if I had 16 hamburgers, who's got less? Oh my goodness, you guys are amazing. You're right. 14 has less. It has the same number of 10s, but it only has 4 ones. 16 has 6 ones. So you definitely did a great job choosing the smaller number. Great. Oh, we're halfway done. Which number is greater than 11? We're talking greater, bigger, stronger, faster. Has more 10s or more ones, and you got it. Wow. Mwah. You're right. This one has the same number of 10s, but there's definitely more ones than in our number 11. Beautiful. You guys are catching on fast. All right, here we go. Number 6. Uh-oh. What symbol would we put? Uh-oh. Would we say, and I'll read them to you, 15 is blank than 18. The red one says 15's greater. The blue one says 15's less than 18. And the yellow one says 15 is equal to 18. They're exactly the same. If you pick the blue one, you got it right. Because if we were to put our symbol in, it would turn away from 15. Yeah, you're too small. 15 is less than 18. So the blue one is right. If we said 15 is greater than 18, who did London? Yeah. Thank you, Jackson. That's great. Let's go on to the next question. Here we go. Ooh, Jackson, Blake, London, nice work. Number 7. Can you figure out this one? What symbol, what international symbol that everyone knows would complete this comparison? 18 is blank then 18. No, we're not adding. No, we're not subtracting. Let's read them. Is greater than, that's the red one. Blue is less than. Yellow, equal.
Are we doing greater than or less than?
You tell me. Let's look up at the problem. 18 versus 18. If you said they're equal, you got it right. They're exactly the same. And what's our word for the same? Equal. So you would choose yellow, equal. And it starts with an E. So that's a clue. Equal. All right, guys, good work. Now, what number are we on? We're on number 8. Oh, we only have 3 questions left. Go ahead. Let's see. 23 is blank than 12. Let me read them. 23 is greater. That's the red one. 23 is less. That's the blue one. 23 is equal to 12. That's the yellow one. Greater, less, or equal? I'm scared. The gator's scared. What do we choose? Red is greater. Blue is less. Yellow's equal. What makes sense? If you said greater, 23 is greater than 12. You're right. I would choose the yellow one because it has more tens and it is greater than 12. It's bigger, it's fatter, it's stronger. It has more tens. The value is more than 12, right? Right? If you had $23, isn't that greater than 12? I think so. Definitely can use place value to show this one has more tens. So automatically it's greater. Okay, we're on 2 more questions and you guys are doing awesome. Let's try it. 19 is, are you ready? Greater than 20? That's the red one. Do you think 19 is greater? Blue, is 19 less? Wow. Or is 19 yellow equal to 20? They're exactly the same. Who said they're the same? They're not the same. So equal, nope, can't say they're equal. They do not match. They're not twins. But we can say that the first number is totally less. It has only 1 10. Can you see that? Only has 1 10, but 20 has 2 10s. So 19 is totally less. And let me go ahead and write that in. Less. Oops, nope. Look what I did. I did the wrong way. I know why I did the wrong way. Move this thing. Here it is. The gator wants to eat, and the greater number, he turns away, yuck, from the smaller number, and he eats the greater number. He is saying that 19 is less than 20. All right, so we now know that 20 is greater. Good work, guys. All right, so let's go on to our next problem. Uh-oh, I need to erase that, don't I? Let me erase it. Okay, here we go. Our last problem. Are you ready? You guys got this? You're going to promise to practice, right? Right. Okay, 35 is what than 25? Let me read them. 35 is greater than 25. Red. Blue. 35 is less than 25. 35 is exactly the same. Why do we all have different answers? Oh no. Okay, time for you to explain your answers, guys. London, what'd you choose? Unmute and tell me, which one did you choose?
I was trying to choose the red one, but I accidentally chose the yellow one.
Oh, okay. Easy mistake, right? So what would you say? Would you say 35 is greater than 25?
Yes.
Why?
Because
What does it have more of? Does it have more tens or more ones?
more 10.
You're right. This one has 3 10s. Look at my screen. Look at it. Look at it. This one has 3 10s. He only has 2 10s. I want to go eat the bigger one. Awesome. Blake, which one did you choose? Thank you, London. Which one did Blake choose?
I picked red.
Beautiful. You rock. Good work. Why did you pick red? You have to tell me why.
Because solely 5 is obviously bigger than 25.
I agree. It is. How did you figure it out, though? What'd you look at?
Well, my dad helps me.
That's
every time
okay.
I do this.
So if I said tens, did you look at the tens place or the ones place? Which one would you say?
The 10.
Yes. Can you tell?
And then
The ones, don't add anything, right? Don't add, because no instruction. Mama's not here saying add. We're saying compare. So we don't have to add anything. Isn't that cool?
yeah.
So only looking to see what we have. What's in this pocket? 35. What's in the other pocket? 25. Which pocket has more? This
20
one,
plus
because
20 is 40.
don't add. Don't add. Don't add. Ooh, erase your brain. No pluses. Okay. Not yet. All right, Lovey. Who wants to go next? Jackson, you chose blue. Why'd you choose blue? Did you freeze? No, you didn't freeze. Unmute. Tell me why you chose it. Come back. Come back. He's like, wait a minute. I didn't mean to choose it. All right, man. So let's look and see how we, oops, go back. Go back. Miss Cruz, what'd you do? What'd you do, Miss Cruz? There it is. Our final answers. Woohoo! Great work. Awesome. So what did we do today? We practiced comparing numbers, and hopefully you have learned to use play. Oh, there he is. I see him now. He disappeared. Yeah, don't disappear on me. So can I just show you something real quick before you leave? So here is our whiteboard. Easy. If I had 23 and London had 33, I know automatically, you know what my brain wants to do? Uh-oh, Jackson, get rid of those. Get rid of them. Okay, Jackson, watch carefully and then I'll let you draw, okay? Don't draw yet. Don't do it. Here we go. The first thing I want to do, the first thing my brain does. I've been doing this so long, London, check it out. Watch me. Yum. I slice my sandwiches. Let's do it again. Ready? Yum. Whoops, that was a terrible one. Let's try that one again. Let's try that again. Hold on, Miss Cruz. She can't draw. 23. And then I want to compare. It doesn't say to add, does it? I don't have anything that says plus. So right now I am just learning how to compare my numbers. So sometimes you will see a circle in between, and that's going to say, hey, write the symbol in. Is it greater, less than, or equal? Ready? So the first thing my brain does is slice each sandwich. Why-ya! To see the tens and ones. Now I can compare. Everybody look at your tens. Here they are. All right. Hey, Jackson, you there? Which one has more tens? Okay. 5, 4. Who knows it? Yell it out. Yell it out. Which one has more tens? 3.
33.
Yay! Very good. This one has 3 tall tens.
33.
This one only has 2. All right,
yeah.
So you guys can draw now. Are you ready? You can draw on this. It's called annotate. If you click the annotate, you can draw your gator mouth in. Would you draw your mouth eating the smaller number? Uh-oh, somebody did. Don't eat the smaller number. Or would you open your mouth and eat the greater number with 3 10s? It's hard to draw, isn't it? It's okay. Try it. Yum, 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 yum. Open your mouth. Or are they equal?
Miss Cruz,
Yes.
this popped up.
See if there's a red X. You can get rid of it. Oh, Jackson, I like it. I like it very much. Excellent. Who else can show
Yes,
me?
there was. I got rid of it.
Okay, don't worry. We're almost done, sweetheart. Okay, we're trying one more time. Yes, Jackson even made teeth in there. He's opening up his gator mouth. Sometimes I say shark. I don't know why. And this alligator is going to want to eat the number that's greater. You have to decide which number is greater. Yes, Blake, very good. Awesome. All right, London, I know that your game stopped. It's so totally okay. We're finishing up. I'm going to draw mine on top. I'm even going to draw a couple of teeth. Ooh, jagged teeth. And there it is. He's turned away from the puny number. Ooh, you only have 2 tens. You're not big enough. And he's turned toward the greater number. And that is our international symbol of less. And it depends on how you read it. Since you read it like a sentence from left to right, we would say 23 is less than 33. Okay, last thing you do is read it to me, and then you can go say 23 is less than 33. Okay.
23 is less than 33.
Beautiful, bye. Blake, go ahead and read it to me.
23 is 33, and 23 is less than 33.
Beautiful, bye, sweetheart. Jackson, go ahead and read it to me.
Can I leave now?
Yep, bye-bye. Jackson, read it to me.
33 is more than 20 in the next meeting.
Okay, bye, Blakey. Jackson, you're reading it backwards. Don't go backwards. Go forward. Start from 23. Start with this number. Ready? Say 23.
23
is
more.
It's more?
I mean, 23 is with. I didn't mean to say
it's okay. More. It's okay.
23 is less than 33.
Woo! Kiss your brain. Awesome. Bye, guys. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.
Miss Cruz, do we have another small group tomorrow?
Tomorrow is only our live lesson for science. One little lesson tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Bye, puppy. See you tomorrow.